After Borch and cold Ukrainian winter, we are traveling to hot and sunny Greece to make Yuvarlakia. Imagine waking up with sunrise on a Greek island, going to work on a local olive plantation next to a beautiful coastline. After, you go for a relaxing swim and head back home. There, on table next to sea, your mom made your favorite dish, lamb meatballs in Avgolemono sauce. Yuvarlakia is comforting and flavorful dish, offering a delightful balance of savory meat, fresh herbs, and zesty lemony broth. The origins of Avgolemono trace back to ancient Greece, although its exact history is unclear. Although most commonly used in soups, Avgolemono sauce is also served as dressing for meats, vegetables, or pasta dishes. The name comes from avgo, meaning egg, and I think you get what lemono means. First, let's get to making meatballs. In a bowl, add minced beef, rice, onion, an egg, chopped parsley, mint, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Mix it really well. As you can see, I had a helping hand. Roll the meatballs. You can make bigger or smaller ones. I made the smaller and got around 50 to 60. When done, put water in a pot and add salt and olive oil. Bring to boil and then reduce to simmer. Start carefully adding meatballs. We are gonna let it simmer for around 25 to 30 minutes. It depends on how big they are. While it's cooking, let's make sauce. Separate yolk and egg whites of 2 eggs. Mix the egg whites with mixer or whip with a fork until they reach thick consistency like this. Then add yolks and keep mixing. Start slowly adding lemon juice and mix until it's foamy. Now we need to temper the eggs. While mixing, slowly add 1 cup of boiling broth to sauce. We repeat it once more and it's done. Pour Avgolemono in the pot and swirl it a bit. Turn off the heat and cover with the lid. Leave it on stove for a couple of minutes to thicken and it's ready to serve. Some soups are best if they rest a day or two in a fridge, but Yuvarlakia is best served as fresh as possible. As always, thanks for watching and I wish you all the best.